Good afternoon. Steve Schroeder here with Smart Community Technologies. We're looking at our texting dashboard, which is a very powerful tool for small business owners. Starts at $29.95 because a month, but you can cancel anytime. You get 500 messages for that. You can see that we're at the main dashboard area. It'll track everything. Let's look at the message balance. So I have a 250 demo account. I've got 239 messages left, so you always know. We can always give you a rollover message because if you buy 500 messages or 1,000 or 5,000, obviously the price goes up. But you can also have a rollover package because you just pay for whatever you use or you don't use during the month, but the rollovers will stay forever. So you can buy rollovers. I believe it's for like 7 or 8 cents a message. So maybe you buy 100 of them for $7 or something, and they will only be used if you go over your package amount, so that you are never billed beyond what your monthly rate is. Because there's so many strategies you can use with this texting platform that you can't use with other texting platforms. It's kind of a game changer. And remember, texting is kind of like the new push message. I mean, bang, this goes right to the phone. I mean, email has about a 3 to 4% response rate in 2 days, like 36 hours. Texting has about a 90% response rate in under 5 minutes. So it's a big difference, and you're not much more. I mean, it's really worth it on the ROI. We've had as much as 50% in one day. And then what this dashboard does, which I'm going to go over with you real quick, is beyond what normal texting programs have. The ability to automate in your database and do a number of things. So let me shoot through a few features so you can see it real quick. What I would do is go over the training with you. You would have your own dashboard. I can do this kind of for you, but you may want to control it or have me train somebody. But the great thing about this is that it's very simple to use. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. The main dashboard here, you get to see how many messages you've done, how many text messages you have scheduled today. We'll go over that later. You have one keyword here. You can just view it and see what it is. All your contacts are here. Your group list are here, and you can hit web, phone, or email. You just hit the web. It takes you right to my website. You can kind of get back to there. So very easy to get support 24/7, and do anything you want here. Now, the other thing that you'll notice is that every page we go to will have a video to walk you through it. So like here, we'll be getting started. You play the video, it'll tell you exactly how to get started. I'm going to go over some a little bit more advanced ones, but you can train yourself very easily. So the first thing I want to go to are these groups, because the groups are something pretty unique with this kind of a dashboard. Now, here's what a group is. As you know, when you get a keyword, like the keyword here is SmartComm, SmartComm, which you can text to 90407, and I'll show you how to set up a sequence. But you get unlimited groups on top of that for free. As you know, if you add another keyword, then you have to pay per keyword. Maybe it's $10, $15, $20 a month. And then there's messaging packages, where here you just pay for the one keyword, but you get unlimited extensions of the keyword. Now, here's what an extension is. You can see it right here. Keyword extension is that you can go up to 10 characters, and it can be anything. So my keyword is SmartComm, SmartComm. So that means I can do, this means SmartComm dot 30041, SmartComm.chicken, SmartComm.coming, SmartComm.irma, SmartComm.learn more, SmartComm.referral. You can do a ton of things, and then you can kind of look at it and see. And here's what we're doing with the keyword extension 30041. This is for fundraising to my zip code. And then it goes right to a landing page to support analytics. Here's the message that you get. So when you text SmartComm dot 30041 or SmartComm dash 30041, you can do an extension with a dot or a dash. It doesn't matter. You get both. Then you get a different message than just SmartComm to 90407, and you get to see how you set that up here. And this is a Cumming fundraising contest. The Little League people here in Cumming are raising money. click here to help out and be entered to win a $50 gift card from Starbucks. You can put in a landing page, anything you want. It tells you how many characters you got left, and your duplicate contacts are already handled. And then you can send a keyword alternate message so that, for example, people don't keep texting in to win. You can just put the alternate message, which you automatically include. It doesn't take any extra for you. But when somebody tries to enter again from the same phone, it'll tell them you are already entered. You don't need to keep texting in. You only get one entry or whatever you want to do. Now, you can do other things to get more entries, but I'll show you with that later. So that's what that is. So that's kind of a cool thing, how you can set that up. And as we go through these other different features, you'll see a number of other things all tied to these groups. So let's go to message. Now, you can message any group. Now, here's what's great about this, because a lot of companies spend a lot of money and they don't even know how to communicate with you by what you like. Let me give you an example with Chick-fil-A, multi-billion-dollar firm. I've got the Chick-fil-A app. Whenever I get something, they give me 3 choices to win something or to earn something when I pay with the app, and it's never what I ordered. They never know what I ordered. They can't communicate with me based on what I ordered, but now you can, and that's a huge difference in today's deal, right? So if you want to click on send a message, you just do that and see how all of the groups come up. So now I can go here. Like, this is everybody who loves chicken burritos. If you're a restaurant, you can have every single thing on your menu in here. It's unlimited groups. So you could literally have your whole menu right here. And then you tell people they can text like smartcom.chicken, smartcom.beef, smartcom.quesadilla. I mean, whatever it is, you can put that menu item with an extension and it will automatically file those people in exactly the type of food they want, the type of day they visit, when they want messages. Everything can be customized for the consumer. That's a big, big difference that we don't even really know of another texting solution that has that, but that was very important for me to put in here because of personalization. So that's what that is, and then here just kind of describes what that is, and I'll scroll down here a little bit. So when you create a message to whoever you want to do, it'll show you how it right in the phone. Okay, here is a sample message. It'll put it right in the phone. You can add unsubscribe instructions if you want to, although we already handle all of that for you, so you don't need to take up space. You can add your business name right here, and then it'll automatically tell you how many characters you got left. 94 out of 160. Boom, create the message, and you can send it to anybody in a group. So you could send it to everybody in all of the groups, like all the contacts. You could send it to just the ones who like chicken burritos, just people who are trying to raise money, or just these 2 out of 3. To referrals, people who are learning more. I mean, I set up a number of strategies that you'll see here. This is all customized for your particular business. So a lot of cool things there. Now you can also schedule everything by groups and everything too. So you have a scheduler. You can send them out whenever you want to. You just click on new. You can call the event name. So, maybe it's Ladies Night Out. And it's every Wednesday. You just type it in, and you'll want to do this more. So every week, Ladies Night Out. Click next. Here's the group. See, now every single group, any kind of group. So obviously you want your ladies. That will be smartcom.ladies or chipotle.ladies or whatever your business is. Your keyword .ladies. And once you have your keyword, nobody can take it. It's locked in for good. And then you have unlimited extensions that are automatically tied to your keyword that nobody can copy. So your keyword becomes exclusive, the extensions become exclusive, and it's a very powerful kind of a situation. So let's get rid of that. So you can set it up for weekly. It'll do everything. On Monday, what time, and bang, every Tuesday night at 7 o'clock, all the ladies will get an automatic message to their phone saying, ladies, remember that tomorrow morning is ladies' night out, or it's BOGO burrito day, or whatever you want to do, and it'll remind them, and they can push a button and place an order. And I'll show you a mobile ordering strategy that even the biggest brands don't have that I included in here. So you can go in here and play. Now let me cancel this, and if you notice here, let me go to messaging. You see, almost everywhere you go, will have a video tutorial telling you what to do, and it'll bring this right up, and you'll be all set. So that's what that is. You can do drip messaging. It tells you what it is. Another video tutorial. My contacts. It'll have all your contacts here. If you scroll down here, these are what they all here. Okay, now you can click on them here and look at them. And here, you'll get to know how many customers. All of your customers will be listed up here. Here's their phone number. If you ask them to text in their email, it'll automatically put it in your database. But here we know that this phone number, we don't have a name yet. I got to add the name. They wanted to learn more, but it'll tell you real quick. Oh, they like chicken, they like beef, they like tacos, they like whatever. Here's how you can reward people for keeping track of your employees. All kinds of things you can do there. That's what the contacts does. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You can kind of go in here and add a keyword. I can show you some more, but let's go to messaging. I'll show you some pretty cool things about the messaging. And because not only do you have this, let's look at this. Let's go back to the home page, and we'll do this, and we'll view the inbox. Okay, and let's look at. So here's what happens. Here's another great thing about the text program. Normally with a short code like 90407, so you can see right here, SmartCom to 90407, and then you can put all whatever you want to do, all the different groups. You cannot communicate back. With this one, it communicates back. Let me show you. So here it is. You click on this, and boom. So anybody who texts in to your business, you can now bring them up right here. Steve Schroeder, Ellen, you see the name right here. Their name will come up when they text in, and then you can reply back right from the dashboard. Hello, Steve. How are you? Did you want a large pizza? Anything you want. It keeps track of it right here, and then you send it from your computer, from your tablet, and it goes out just like a text message. And Steve gets it, and he can write back to you like you'll see here. Let me show you. There it is. Bang. Okay, that's my little note, and I can click up here, and now I'll write back to him. No, I'm going to write back now. No, thank you, SmartCom. Or I'll put, yes, give me a large pizza. Okay, yes, give me a large pizza, and I'm going to send it. Okay, I just sent it. Now let me go back here, get rid of my little texting deal, which is right here. Boom, get rid of that. Okay, now let's go back here to the dashboard. See, we already have a new message. We're going to view the inbox, and there it is. Yes, give me a large pizza. It happens instantaneously. So let's view that on the phone. See that? Yes, give me a large pizza. So Steve's phone and all of the history of the conversations of Steve's phone, not to everybody, but just to your business, are right here. So you get to see this is where he started. This is the date that he started. It's all date and time stamped. You can talk to him. So people can order remotely for your restaurant. You can type it back, and then you can just call them. You already have their phone number. You can just call them, and if there's any confusion, this is world-class customer service that texting solutions don't offer. So this is really cool how you can map that and track that. There's all kinds of things you can do in messaging. It tracks everything. Let's see if there's any other special thing. Oh, here's a great thing. We automatically built in a digital drawing engine into it. So this is really cool because now you can have you can tell everybody when your customers come in, hey, listen, if you want to win a free burrito, we give one away every day. Every day? Yeah, it's all automated. So text burrito or text chipotle.chicken or, whatever you want, whatever your favorite item is, text it in and you're automatically entered into a drawing every single day. And you'll get it. Just bring your message in. You get a free burrito. You also will get special offers being a part of our text club. So just show the message. They're very easy if you just ask people to do it. And then what happens is you go down, you text to win, and you can have any of the groups that you want right down here. See, look at all of them. There it is, chicken burrito. Okay, so we're going to tell all the people here. And let's go. We'll get 2 winners. And here's another great thing. You could have 2 winners a day, 5 winners a day, 5 winners a week, 5 winners a month. I mean, whatever you kind of want to do, you type in the message and say, congratulations. And then you can save this so you don't keep doing it every day. You won today. Bring bring this message in, and we will give you a free burrito. You know, anything you want, okay? And now let's go ahead and select that right now, and we'll get a winner. And there it is. Oh, so there's only 3 people in the group. See who won? It automatically picked 2 winners, Steve Schroeder and Chris Deitch. It just sent the message to me. Let's go look at it. So I'm closing it. This opens up all, it's so easy to build your database, and it'll file your database automatically by the preferences of the customers. So what happens is, let's go back to my dashboard. Okay. Let's view the inbox again. And here's Steve. Remember, we were looking at him before. There. See, right on Steve's phone. Congratulations, you won. Now, if we want to, we can communicate with him even further. Hey, Steve, here I am at the place. Let me know when you want your free burrito. So now he's getting a personalized congratulations from you. And believe me, if I train an employee to just handle this dashboard, it will increase revenue by 20-30%. Mobile ordering. And what we can do is you can track them. You can walk outside and greet them. They don't even have to park. So you can sell a lot of to-go orders. If it's not to-go, there's a ton of things you can do. For $29.95, this is better than most customer loyalty programs because it's personalized and instant communication. There's just a lot more you can do. I won't go over every single thing, but just everywhere you go, you'll always have a video kind of telling you what's going on, whether you go into messaging here. Okay, so then you want to hit send. There's your custom video. It'll tell you how to do that. If you go to scheduler, there's your custom video for that. If you go into drip messages, there's your custom video and how to add everything, very similar. You know, everywhere you go down here, what are message templates? These are things that you can just save so you can automatically do it. It tracks everything. You could export it to a CSV file or Excel spreadsheet. I can put it in the other dashboard. It'll tell you everything what's going on. Every time you get a message, it'll just pop right in your inbox. Here it is. And here's who it's from, right? And then you can, of course, view the reply, and there it is, and talk to them. You can close this. It can be done every day. You can, here's another, so let's go to another person. Here's Alan. Let's look at Alan. Okay? So I'll click on it, and here's Alan's phone. Okay? And here's what he said. Nice. Has this girl had any luck selling anything yet? You know, and I think he's talking about our employee. Congratulations, you just won a free game of bowling. He loves to bowl, so everybody's phone kind of comes up, and I can train an employee to do nothing but this. This will be the most important employee your business has. She'll take care of all the mobile ordering, all of the reservations. I mean, you can do unlimited things here, and she can handle it all. Probably it'll be the most valuable employee you have. That's what I recommend. You could have a tablet there, go out. I mean, she can be talking, hey, let me know when you are just 30 seconds out, and I'll bring your food out. And they love that. They text back, yes, I'm 30 seconds out. Great. She grabs it, goes out there. Hey, Steve, how you doing? Thanks for letting me know. Here's your food. They hand her a tip. Business goes up all over the place. Now, you combine this with some of the other things I'm doing, and now you can kind of see the power. So everywhere you go down here, whether it's your contacts or whatever, there's always a video tutorial that tells you everything. Let me see if there's anything else that's really cool I left out. No, I mean, it's pretty strong because the personalization and how everything automatically goes to what customers like. That is really, and having unlimited groups, that would cost $200 or $300 a month if you could even do it with another texting company. So here for $30 a month or $24.95 a month, you have unlimited control, and then you'll spend more with more messages. But I mean, I can look at those prices for you. We have them all broken down. And you can just add them as you want, and then you can if you want, spend $20 and put 500 messages in the carryover. You never go over your package, and if you keep using more and more, you just go up a little package. And it's just like anything else. The more messages you have, the more you pay, but the better deal you get. So that's pretty easy. You can add a keyword. Now, if you try to add a keyword, or anything like that, it'll tell you to contact me because that costs money. Here's all your tools here. You can put it on the web. You got QR code builder, the text to win, create flyers. So everything's pretty explanatory, and no matter where you go, even in the little subgroups. So like if you go, they all have videos on every single thing. Even if you want to add a group, you get your own video tutorial. And very easy to add it. It tells you right here. See your keyword extension, max 10 characters. You can put hyphen, dot, your zip code, your schools. You could have fundraisers for every schools. It tells you what an extension is. What group name do you want that tied to, and the description, what you want to call it. It goes right into your dashboard. And then everybody who texts in smartcom.chicken or your keyword dot or dash chicken or beef or taco or elementary school or zip code or whatever are all automatically filed into that group. Let me see if I can kind of show you that. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so here's all my keyword extensions and here's the contacts. And so this might be a lot more than 3, but when you click on it, then let's scroll up. There's all the people that are in that group. And you can delete them, whatever. And if you delete a group, all these people remain. And you can see most people who we've been experiencing, it's the same people in all the groups. But as soon as somebody texts in here, then you'll know who's all in your group. You can grab that whole group, and then you can send a message even from the keyboard. Hey, chicken lovers, today is chicken day. Come in at 10 to 1 and get a BOGO. I mean, you can bring in thousands of customers very easily from this dashboard. And then when you combine it with what I showed you on the mapping dashboard, just these two things are incredible. You've got mastery of the email and phone, because when they text back for anything, you automatically have their phone number. You can have an automatic message go, Steve, text me back your email, and it automatically adds the email to this database and the other database. So it's very easy for a small business to generate tremendous revenue with the right tools. And these are very inexpensive. $29 a month, 500 messages, maybe $80 a month for 3,000. I mean, it's very inexpensive, and it's got features and benefits that will really help you out a lot. So that's it. Sorry we took a little bit longer, but let me know if you have any questions.